Hello everyone. So for my resource, what I want to talk about, additionally to everything that we've talked about, is a resource I found to be tremendously useful, which is Canva. So I'm not sure if many of you are familiar with Canva. Basically, it's like a very, very elevated form of Google Docs and Google Slides all together. You are able to create presentations, worksheets, anything you can think of, you can literally find on here. So for our videos and narrations, I did use Screenomatic for them. But if I didn't have access to Screenomatic, I would have used Canva because it also has a narration feature that is free. So here you see I basically broke down my teaching philosophy into these little slides, and I want to show you what you can do with them. So basically, you put on your slide, you can add notes. So maybe like talk about why you wrote what you wrote. Okay, I'll have that note and it'll make sense later. You can write notes on each of your slide, and then once you are done, you've added all of your features, you did any elements you wanted, you did any uploads of pictures, you finished all your text, anything else that you needed. You then move on to share. You do more, and then present and record. So I really think that this is a very easy way to screen record. This option actually allows you to record yourself as well without having to pay. So let's go to Recording Studio, start recording. I'm just gonna record, it won't do anything. Okay, so this is where the notes are important. As you see here, I have access to those notes, so I can basically give myself pointers on like what I want to talk about in that slide, so you're not reading word for word. I think it's very important to not read word for word when you are doing a slideshow presentation. So you would go through your slides, talk about it, etc., etc. The only con I see to this format, rather than what we have, actually no, both formats, this format and the Screenomatic, they do not allow you to edit. I don't know if it's because I don't have like the upgraded version, but if you make a mistake, you do have to end up doing your whole presentation. So that is one con. But I noticed too that the Screenomatic version, the free one, doesn't allow you to edit your clips either. If I am correct, it didn't let me when I tried. So I guess that's something that could be a con, but overall, it's just like the features it has are really great, and it really elevates your presentation. It makes it from looking not necessarily basic, but like very minimalistic, to now adding extra elements that you don't really have to work that hard to create like a good presentation. So yeah, I created our lesson video that was attached to our 5E lesson plan through Canva, and I really liked it. It does allow you to pause, so you can pause and like figure things out and then go back to record, but it doesn't let you edit clips and like make them shorter and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys find this relatable. Like I said, I found it very useful for this class, but I also found it useful for many other classes, and you can use this not only for school, but for work and any other things you need it for. So yes.